I thought the show very interesting, especially how the intro, how they all got together as one and they started getting into the mood. They were very energetic. Yeah, they practiced very well. I think I liked the first one. I also liked the hatching of the cocoon.
Between all the girls it's just amazing. I haven't seen a show like that in so long. It brought me to tears actually yesterday. I loved it so much, but I think maybe the second act yesterday was my absolute favorite. But then when all the girls connect together, they bang those drums, oh my word, that's when the passion comes One word I think has to describe the whole thing is that they demand the attention from the audience, and it's just so beautiful and peaceful. Like the Chinese culture and the African cultures together. They each have their standalone sets, but like together they are just marvelous. It's a beautiful performance.
For all ages, so that was really lovely because now we didn't have to divide ourselves in terms of who can attend and who cannot attend, and we all enjoyed it as a big family. This was actually our first show.
Dragon King. It was more than I expected. I was expecting like so much less, but I liked it.
You liked it? How do you feel about the show?
It felt amazing.
When we walked in the room, everyone's faces lit up. It was a beautiful show. We enjoyed it. And I love the fact that it incorporated two cultures, two worlds, African and Asian cultures, and how that came together.
Which part do you like the most?
Everything.
Everything. Yes.
The audience loved the show.